Now let's determine this long list of limits according to the graph of f of x. Starting with the limit as x approaches -3 from the right of f of x. So -3 is right here. X is -3. And as we approach it from the right, as we approach that value of -3 from the right, this is what we're going to get. We're going to get 2. The value of y that the function is converging towards is 2. Okay, so now what about the limit as x approaches -3 from the left of f of x? So again, -3, and now we're approaching it from the left. So we're getting closer and closer again to 2. Alright, so now what is the limit as x approaches -3 of f of x? Since the limit's coming from the right and the limit's coming from the left are the same, which is both equal to 2, the limit as x approaches -3 of f of x is just equal to 2. Fantastic. So let's move on. Let's do D. What is the limit as x approaches 2 from the right of f of x? So now x is equal to 2. As x approaches 2 from the right, note that we go, for example, like from 4 to 3, so we're approaching 2 from the right. We get -2 for y. What if we're approaching from the left? What if x is approaching 2 from the left? Then we're going this way. We're going towards this point right here as we come from the left, and that would be just +1. So now what is the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x? That won't exist. Why not? Because the limits coming from the right and from the left are not equal, and if they're not equal, the limit as x approaches 2 won't exist. Great. Now how about G? What is the limit of f of x as x approaches 6 from the right? So this is 6 right here. So as we approach 6 from the right, we're going this way right here. And this would be y is equal to 4. Now what if we're approaching 6 from the left? We're approaching 6 from the left on the function. So we're approaching this point right here, which is -2. So now these guys are different again. The limit as x approaches 6 from the right and the left are different. So the limit as x approaches 6 won't exist. Does not exist. That's it.